In this video, I'll show you how to get 1xBet Friday bonus. This is very easy. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want to show you how to create a professional 1xBet account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option. Fill in your details correctly from your surname right down to your password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, 1xBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now, let's continue. So to get a Friday bonus, what you have to do is to come over to your 1xBet account on Friday and come to menu. Please note you have to come to 1xBet on a Friday. And once you're here, you're going to click on order. And once you come to order, you're going to see promotions. Once you click on promotion, if it's a Friday, you're going to scroll through this and then you're going to see a Friday bonus somewhere here. If there's a Friday bonus, and you're going to see one here. And that's how to get a Friday bonus. Just click on it, read the instructions, and follow.